welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Feast and my name is Anisha. Today I have some spicy ramen. I'm so excited and I'm starving. So we're gonna get right into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I'm a goofball. Sorry, I can't help it. Whew, I'm so excited, y'all. And I feel horrible because I remember my last video when I ate these spicy noodles. I told y'all I don't know the name because it's in a different language. And then I threw away my last pack. So, here we are. But, the good thing, I have random ginger root right here. Let's see if it, oh, I thought it was going to stand up. Join us for the party. Don't it look like a person? Anyway, let me stop playing around. So I'm sorry, next time I buy the pack, I will what is that called? Take a picture of it at least, or like something, so when I do another video, you guys will like be able to see it or get it if you guys see it in your store or whatever. Sorry if I keep messing with my hair. I'm not used to it yet, and bear with me, okay? Let's just get started. I don't even remember if I said my saying. Hopefully I did. Ooh, it needs this nice and hot right out the pot. You know what I want? A small little, not like a plate. Ooh, I forget how spicy it is. And then like this kind of spice like hits the back of your throat immediately. So, ooh, but I love it. I love it. I was watching B Loves Life video the other day. B Loves Life video the other day. I've heard 2 times spicy noodles. And y'all know anything that woman eat, she make it look good. So here I am eating noodles. Ooh. So how was everyone's weekend? Did y'all do anything fun? Was it crack-a-lacking? Poppin' whopping. Get some water real quick. They're not that spicy to me. I don't need water. I'm just thirsty. I'm saying it as like a disclaimer. So if you do see these, you should get them, seriously. I swear one day I'm gonna bring my glass back. But if you're new to my channel, it's just me and my boyfriend here. So we have literally probably, I don't know, anywhere from like 4 to like 10 gallons of water at our house at a time. So we just end up using our own gallons. Is easier that way because we both don't really like cold drinks. Me and my boyfriend are so much alike. I love it. But very different at the same time. Woo. If y'all ever had pho before, this is like how you want to eat these noodles, because like when you eat the broth with the noodle, it just makes it taste that much better. Plus, I watch a lot of Fumi's videos. I think that's how you say her name. I hope it is. And she always is eating ramen. And she just makes it look so good. Like every freaking time. Hair, I almost ate my hair in my soup. And the good thing about these this ramen is it has a lot of big vegetables in it. Like, you know how American ramen gives you those fake behind frozen dehydrated mushroom, or I'm about to say mushrooms, vegetables that be looking mad sus. Ooh, I know what I'm talking about. Those carrots, those peas. They good, especially when you're younger, but they do look a little sus. This had like scallions and cabbage. Like it looked like different types of cabbage. It's delicious, y'all. Ooh, sorry if I look kind of greasy. Oh, excuse me, or shiny. I put some African shea butter on my face because I have really dry, I don't want to say really dry skin. But after I shower and stuff like that, my face is usually like super dry. So I be needing like and I don't like using like regular lotion. I usually use this like natural shea lotion, but I'm running low. This is so good, y'all. So I'm running low on my lotion, so I just used my shea butter. But boy, oh boy, I mean, my face is definitely not dry anymore, but it's definitely a little shinier than I would like to have it. But that's all good. I will be in the house this weekend, or I said this weekend. I will be in the house today. Ooh. Has anybody been watching the finals? How did y'all like the games? Now, before you comment anything below, I will warn you, I am obsessed with LeBron James, okay? That is my husband. Well, that's not my husband, but I love him, okay? You're like my favorite basketball player of all time. I think he's the GOAT, whatever. I'm not arguing with y'all. I just started watching basketball like 10 years ago, maybe. Roughly. Maybe like 9 or 10 years ago. So, I'm sorry. He's my favorite player. Leave me alone. If you don't like LeBron, you don't like me. LeBron fans be like, No, but seriously. Ooh. What do y'all think of the finals? Have y'all even been watching them? I will admit I didn't watch all the games like how I usually would. Because it was kind of, with COVID, everything has been like super weird, you know? Oh. And the funny part is, I live like maybe like 45 minutes away from the Amway Center. So I'd be like, why can't I just go to a game? Let me in. Please. I'm family. Shoot. that, y'all. Try to make sure I get every minuscule little noodle that's in there. Shout out to Robin for my chopsticks. I ran out of my wooden ones, and I was so mad because I'm like, dude, anybody else out there that like once you start eating certain foods with chopsticks, you don't like using a fork? That's me. Anytime I eat Asian food, even if it's just like rice and like a meat or something like that, I want chopsticks. Like, I don't want to use a fork. I would use chopsticks for other stuff that I eat, but oh, excuse me, it doesn't feel right using chopsticks to eat collard greens. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, let's get one more scoop of this broth. Slash, make sure there's no more noodles in here. Okay. I'd eat the spoon if I could, y'all. Ooh, that was so freaking good. I hope you guys love this video and enjoy my noodle eating, because if y'all can tell, I freaking love noodles. Spaghetti, Alfredo, tomato, buffet. Okay, I can't rhyme. Let me stop. But either way, I freaking love noodles is my point. I hope you guys have, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'm going to have a good rest of my day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.